Let's go, everyone. Today we're opening an Amazon Echo Dot with clock. So it's pretty cool. Echo Dot has the time up on the front. Let me show you the packaging. LED display, Bluetooth 3.5 millimeter line out. Oh, I didn't know about that. Hands-free with Alexa, microphone on/off button. So I'm planning to put this by my on my nightstand, similar to where it's shown right here. Smart speaker with clock plus Alexa. So let's get to it. Well, that's pretty cool, showing the instructions on the packaging, so save some space on paper. All right, let's take this out first. More buttons on it than I was expecting. Set this down there. Let's check out the charger. A 15-watt charger. And just that. So cool. I'm excited to use this as a clock and Alexa. Oh, you can see where the display is right there, kind of the outline. Yeah, super excited to try this out. Thanks everyone for watching this unboxing. Please like and subscribe for more future random unboxing videos. Hope you have a great day. Bye.